Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Sa bakasyon namin, grande. Dito kami sa, ano ba to? Anong tawag dito?
Dito kami sa bahay, aray ko.
Apartment. Studio type apartment. Anong ba? Ito ang lababo, tingnan mo. Ang lamisa nakakalat pa. CR, tingnan natin yung CR. Ito, nakakalat. Ang okay naman, may bathtub siya. May bidet. May lababo na may salamin. Yung kama na nakakalat na rin. Para lang ano. Mga bata pagod na. Sala. TV. May aircon naman siya. May ilaw. May electric fan pata sa taas. Dito yung papunta sa pool. Punta sa pool. Pwede mag-grill. Pwede mag-grill. Lumabas ka dito. Swimming pool. Dito. Taas. Ito papasok. May puno pa sila ng kalamansi oh. Ang daming bunga. Kaya lang maliliit pa. Di pa tayo pwede mamitas. May putons na gusto kong humingi. Gusto kong pumutol. Sa kabila pa. Yung aso namin na makulit. Oh. Pasok ulit tayo.
Okay. I will give you one pin. Galing! Green! Ano lumabas?
Ang laki mo!
Alam ka, tumayo!
Eh, di pa na...
Kanina nandito, tinignan niya na
Di pa nakakuha yung 1,000,000.
Teka lang. Grabe to guys!
Saan na?
Medyo
Eh,
napit.
oh,
Yeah!
Ilan na? Ilan na?
Mata, isa na lang.
Ang galing ah. Oh, wala pa yung jackpot prize. Wala pa yung jackpot.
Kaya ko! Kaya ko! Grabe ka naman!
Wala na.
Wala pa yung jackpot prize.
Wala na daw.
Eh, lima lang daw eh. Lima lang eh. Wala.
Wait, tingnan ko sa ilalim. Wala yun.
Yung isa.
Pumasok sa loob.
Ilalim naman.
Wala.
Uy, baka
Ano naman? Wala.
tulog pa. Ito na naginip pa, nag-swimming siya.
Lagyan mo yan dyan. Pupulo pa yan.
Ito.